Hey guys, it's Sharmise Idris and I'm back with a quick video, but I think it'll be pretty helpful. So with the virus going on, of course people have bought up the hand sanitizer, so I need to make my own, so I decided that I will teach you how to as well. So you'll need to start off with 2 parts alcohol. You'll want 91% alcohol or 99%. And then you'll have 1 part vegetable glycerin or aloe vera gel. They typically mix aloe vera gel with other things, so I'm using vegetable glycerin. You can get glycerin at pharmacies, dollar stores, Walmart, and of course online. And then you can use tea tree oil or another essential oil. I like the properties that are in tea tree oil, so that's what I'm going to use today. And then of course you'll need a container for your ingredients. I do recommend this spray bottle just because of how liquidy this concoction is. And then of course a funnel. So you'll just mix those ingredients together. I have 2/3 cup of alcohol and then 1/3 cup of vegetable glycerin. And then I'm gonna add 5 to 10 drops of tea tree oil. But like I said, you can also use lavender essential oil or lemon essential oil. Just look into the properties of each essential oil and choose. Or you don't have to use it at all, really. And then you'll just pour it into your container and then shake it up. I know there are DIYs out there that use witch hazel instead of alcohol, but if you're here because of the virus, don't use witch hazel because it does not have the recommended amount of alcohol in it. The CDC recommends at least a 60% alcohol solution, so if you are using 91% alcohol with this recipe, this will be a 66% alcohol solution. And this solution won't feel like your typical store brand hand sanitizer, but that's because there's different ingredients in there, but it still works for what it's supposed to do.